Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes, and if you're not new, welcome on back. So today's video is going to be a first impressions review, a try on the new e.l.f. Cookies and cream. They just sent me this package. It's so funny because I was actually planning on filming a whole nother video, but we just got this in the mail, so we are going to unbox it together and we're going to try out the entire collection. I am super excited. If you love drugstore makeup, if you love drugstore content, if you love saving money, I am your girl. So make sure you subscribe to my channel because it is totally free, $99, and you already know. Grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and start with today's video. Start off by opening what's inside. It looks like it's a little jar. I was opening it and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna open this with you guys so we can see what it is. So it's a glass jar, and then in the jar, oh my gosh, that is so cool, comes the entire PR collection. So shout out to e.l.f. for sending this to me. So this is the new brush set, Cookies and Dreams, not Cookies and Cream, Cookies and Dreams. This is a brush set that is retailing for $9. A swirling set of ice cream inspired vegan brushes, available at Walmart as well. I went to Walmart yesterday and I didn't see this collection, so if you are wanting this collection, I would probably just go back a few times until you can find it. And then they also sent over their milkshake overnight mask, which is this one right here, and this one is retailing for $9 as well. I've already done my skincare, so I will probably not try this today, but definitely will try it tonight. They also have this gorgeous eyeshadow palette, which is retailing for $9 as well. It's really pretty, and this one is called the Cookies and Dreams eyeshadow palette. They also have a Cookies and Dreams Just a Cream Putty Primer. Primes the skin for long-lasting, sweetly scented looks. This one is also retailing for $9. They also have the No Budge eyeshadow sticks. These are also retailing for, $5. It says 3 mouthwatering shades of smudge-proof pigment, but I have 4, so I don't know if that was like a typo, but we do have 4, and we do have the shades white, a blue, a brown, and a black. We have this really cool Cookies and Dreams single scoop face sponge. I am so excited to use this one. It looks so pretty, and this one is retailing for $5. Oh my gosh. They also sent over some cookies. There's 4, one for me, one for Lincoln, one for Lonnie, and one for Brian. Perfect. There's also a cookie crumble lip exfoliator for $5. We're definitely going to try that. And then the last thing in the little collection is lip gloss. Wow, that's very interesting. So these are retailing for $4 a piece, and it comes with 3 different shades. We have a see-through blue, we have a black, which is very interesting, and then we have the creme true creme, which is like a white-ish color. It's very strange. I am so excited to put these all to the test, so let's go ahead and get started. The detail is in the packaging, you guys. Look at how you open this like an Oreo. How fun is that? And actually, fun fact, I am not an Oreos girl. I actually don't really like sweets. I'm more of a salty person. Not like that. I prefer salty treats like trail mix or chips, which is probably the worst. But yeah, my husband and my daughter love Oreos, and I literally buy them just for them, but don't really care for it. It smells so good. Ouch, I feel like I have like a pimple wanting to pop out of my nose. And we're not doing that. I'm not going to apply any other primer on my forehead because I just get super oily right here. I actually have so much excess oil, but we're just going to leave that on. So far, it looks really good. It doesn't really feel like the original putty primer. It feels a little bit more smoother. I am curious to see how this is going to work for my oily skin. This is what the sponge looks like when it's dry. Let me go and get it wet. I'm going to take my sponge. Oh, I forgot to show you. This is what it looks like wet. So it's super duper big. I actually really love the sponges from e.l.f. So I knew this was going to be a hit. And as soon as I got it wet, like I can just feel the texture, and I was like, yes, e.l.f. We're here for this sponge. Here is a close-up of the palette. As you can see, you're getting 8 beautiful shades. It looks like it has 4 matte shades, and then it has like 2 satin shades and 2 shimmer shades. So let's get started. I've already primed my lids with my NYX, what is it? The Ultimate Shadow Primer. I'm going to take the first shade on the palette, and I am going to just lay that underneath the brows. By the way, I love how my brows came out today. I feel like my brows can never come out the same. And today, I don't know what I did, but they look snatched. Just taking that right underneath the brow bone and blending it in just like that. That is really nice. It's a really nice white bright color. Now let's go in with this dark chocolate, and I'm going to start stamping it just right here. Ooh, that's pretty. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here. It's like a beigey, it's like, it has a little bit of a cool undertone. And I'm going to use that to blend it out. Just to spice things up a bit, I'm going to take a little bit of that black on this brush. Okay, I'm really liking these brushes, you guys. They're really nice, and I'm just applying that to the lowest part of my lid, really close to the lash line. And then I'm going to go back with this little brush and just kind of like diffuse it a little bit, and then bringing it up. I'm going to make room for the crayons so we can try those out. I'm going to take the blue, oh, that's really pigmented. I'm going to run that through the lid. And then of course, taking some of that blue, and I'm going to layer it on top of the crayon to set it in place. Let's take a little bit of this shade right here. It's like a shimmery champagne, and I'm going to take that on a little fluffy brush, and we're just going to pop that into the inner corner. That is so pretty. Wow, I am obsessed with the palette. I am obsessed with everything so far. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes off camera. Do the same thing to the lower lash line, apply some lashes. We're gonna come back and try the lip glosses. I think I'm also going to try and apply this to the waterline. I will insert a clip. In case you guys are wondering what lashes I am wearing So Wispy from My Lashes, and the look is so pretty. I did add a little bit of this just all over the lid to make it a little extra pop. And then I did add the white eyeliner, the white eyeshadow onto the waterline, and I really like it, and it's supposed to be a no smudge eyeliner, so hopefully it wears really nicely. Let's go ahead and exfoliate the lips with the lip exfoliator. Okay, it's like very gentle on the lips. I like that, but as you get deeper, it definitely gets a little bit rougher. Not too bad. Doesn't really have a scent to it, at least nothing that I can pick up on. I've applied my lipstick, and I'm going to use Brain Freeze, and then I might use a different one on top, but this is the one that's like the most clear. It smells so good. Let's take a little bit of creme and see if it makes a difference. I don't really see a difference. Really pretty lip glosses. They have a beautiful finish. They're not sticky, they're very creamy, and they almost feel like very hydrating to the lips. So here it is, you guys. This is a full face testing out the new e.l.f. Cookies and Dream collection. So what are my thoughts? What do we think? Honestly, loved everything, if you couldn't tell by my reaction. I don't think there was anything that was just like, ugh, I didn't like it. I mean, the colors on the lip gloss are not really like my vibe, but they're still pretty. And for the color payoff, Like, I feel like you can get away with just applying them on top of any lip color and you'd be good to go. The palette is absolutely stunning, very pigmented for what you're getting, and for the price, it's totally worth it. My opinion, I think for me, like, the sponge is just, oh my gosh, it's amazing. I can see myself using this all the time. I will have to let you know in the comment section down below how the primer wore on my skin. My skin looks really good. Like, my pores are really not visible, so I'm guessing this is going to be a good primer. It looks really good so far. And as far as the cookies, well, that's something I'm gonna have to try. That is it from you guys. Thank you so much for joining me, for being here today. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this collection. Are you buying anything? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Thank you all so much for being here and for watching. Until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!